So hey everyone, in this quick and interesting tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can share the reels to your Instagram stories without the username and the reel icon which generally appears when you share any reel to your stories. So all you have to do is to open the Instagram application and open the reel you wanna share to your story. Let's take an example with this reel. If I want to share this reel on my Instagram story, I'll tap share and add to my story. So all you need to do is to type anything over here, and once, for example, if I write this, and all you need to do is to drag this text to the delete icon and quickly double tap on the delete icon. Once you do that, you can see all the text and the reel icon has been gone through the screen, and now you can share the Instagram reel without the username and the Instagram reel icon. You can try this by yourself also. Just be careful, you need to double tap very quickly in order to delete the text and the reel icon. So that's a very interesting tutorial. I hope it would be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.